Hey everyone, welcome back to today's best deals today. We're excited to review the Roborock Qrevo Edge robot vacuum and mop, a cutting-edge cleaning solution that's designed to make your life easier. Meet the Roborock Qrevo Edge. Featuring 18,500 Pascal suction and a zero-tangling design. This robot vacuum and mop is engineered to deliver ultimate cleaning performance, effortlessly lifting hair, debris, dust, and dirt from carpets and hard floors. The Qrevo Edge boasts a dual anti-tangle system, ensuring 0% hair tangling rate. The DuoDivide main brush and FlexiArm arc side brush work together to handle long hair and pet fur, making it perfect for homes with pets or allergies. This robot vacuum features AdaptiLift chassis technology, allowing it to glide smoothly across all surfaces and adjust to different floor types and thresholds. The FlexiArm side brush and edge mopping system ensure 100% edge and corner coverage. The Qrevo Edge comes with an all-in-one multifunctional dock 3.0, offering hot water mop washing, warm air drying, and intelligent dirt detection. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to keep their home clean without the hassle of manual vacuuming and mopping. With its advanced features and sleek design, the Roborock Qrevo Edge is a must-have for anyone who wants to experience the future of cleaning. Order now and start enjoying the convenience of automated cleaning. Thanks for watching Channel Name. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tech content. Get yours now and start enjoying the convenience of automated cleaning. The Roborock Qrevo Edge is available now. Say goodbye to manual vacuuming and mopping, and hello to a cleaner, healthier home with the Roborock Qrevo Edge.